To install our post kits, they include a sleeve and a post. You will need a driving cap and your own sledgehammer. Our fence kits all include a drive cap. The sleeve system saves you trying to hammer in a tall post 10 feet above the ground. It is much safer to keep 2 feet on the ground. In this short video, I will show you how to install the sleeve with just a sledgehammer. If you have many posts to install, we would recommend our post pounder, but I'm not going to cover that here. There will be a link in the description. First, set the driving cap into place and press the sleeve into the ground until it can stand up by itself. Use the sledgehammer to hit the cap a few times. Correcting it if it falls to the side. When it is in about a third of the way, use the post to adjust to vertical. You can use buildings, straight trees, or for more accuracy, a plumb line or spirit level. Then remove the post. And continue with the hammer until you're another third of the way. Again, check for plumb. Try to be sure at this stage because as the sleeve goes deeper, it will not adjust again later. Replace the cap and hammer until flush with the ground. If the cap is a little stuck at the end, you can give it a couple of taps to free it. This is the end cap. It is the top of the post. It is easier to attach the clamps before inserting the post into the sleeve. Then drop the post into the sleeve. Come and visit us at Deer Fence Canada. We ship right to your door.